We're here today in Henry County at this new built home. It is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Y'all are gonna love this home. It has so many perks. We're talking 2 extra bonus spaces, a media space, and the primary on the main. And the best part is, it's on 3 acres. Come on in and let's tour this beautiful home. So you first come into this wide 2-story entryway and immediately have your dining room right here. Really good space, cozy, and it's good for a nice little dining room table. So coming further into the home, you don't have the stairway directly at the front door. It's kind of off to the side a little bit. Let's go right into the primary suite. So as you know, it's on the main, really good size. Good light coming in. I'm loving it. Heading into the ensuite. It's a standard ensuite. You've got your dual vanity here, soaker tub, and stand-up shower. Really basic and to the point. And then in here we have a good sized closet. So you got this side and that side, and a window. So now we come out. Let's head to the living space. So here it is. Nice living space. I feel like you can fit a lot of things in here. However you want to position your furniture. There's plenty of light coming in. And it's a good space. I think it's a really, really good space. So flowing right from the living area, you have your dining space. So you can put a dining table right under this light. And this door here leads out to your 10 by 14 covered patio. So it's like extended living space. And it overlooks part of your 3 acres and it's really private and serene. And then here we have this open kitchen area. Again, this house is straightforward and to the point, but it has some really good spaces in here, including this pantry. So right off of the kitchen area, you have a half bath right here for guests, and then you have a nice long laundry room. Through this door is the garage, and that's basically it for downstairs. All right, so let's go into bedroom number 2. Loving the multiple windows and light coming in for this quaint space. So now we're gonna see bonus room number 1. Yes, I said 1 because it's more. But I'm assuming this is the bonus room because it's over the garage and it does not have a closet, but it's a lot of good things you can do in here. Playroom, office, whatever you need. So now we're in bedroom number 3. And the good thing about this bedroom is that there is an ensuite. You have a full bathroom right here. And now we're gonna go into bedroom number 4. You have a walk-in closet there, and it's enough space to do whatever you need in this room as well. And then we have a full bathroom right here with a dual vanity. Now coming down the hall, through these double doors, you have your media space. So much you can do in this room. I can see you having a projector, a huge TV, couches, whatever you want to do, but a lot of good times can be had in here. And lastly, bonus room number 2, right here. Plenty of space. You have a little nook right here. Again, the possibilities are endless when you have 2 bonus rooms like this. This home is in a great school district and it sits on 3 acres with no HOA. Right now with the preferred lender, I can get you some closing costs and probably some other incentives as well, but you have to call me soon before this one is gone. I'll see you at the next home.